Alright, so here we have our LED display with the dip switch inputs, 4-bit dip switch input. This dip switch input will display the value from 0 to 9 onto our display. So if we come here and we open all the dip switch bits to 0, we will display a 0. Let's say we close bit 2 or bit 1 and 2, which will give us a value of 2 and 4, which will give us 6 in total. And let's say we open those and close bit 3, so a value of 8. This will give us 8. Now, if we are over that value, we programmed a little code. So if we have bit 2 and 3, which will give us a 8 and a 4, right? That will give us a C. It will display an X. So anything over a 9 will give us an X. So if we come here and then look at our code, we have our main initialization, ports, port commands, LCD data and LCD init commands, and the LCD command line. Now our main code loop is here. We are creating a variable call called A, GPIO-A, so we're outputting and reading the values, shifting those values over to the left, since we're only using the first 3 bits or 4 bits, masking it, and then adding a value of 30 to create an ASCII value from the inputted value of the dip switches. We created an if statement. So if that A value is less than 3A, then we will display that A value. And so from 0 to 9, we will display. Else, if it would be larger than that value, we would display an X. The LCD commands are subroutines. They would be initialized here and here. So we had to, in the ports, the port init command, we would have to enable our input with putter and enable the A through C clock. And that is about it.